Oh wow, ça a vraiment marché en plus.
Welcome to another episode of Beyond the Plate, presented by Cult MTL. Today I have the formidable chef Alexandre Vachon from Le Hatley at Manoir Hovey in Sherbrooke, Quebec, where today we will be joined by Cédric Philibert, the director of Pisciculture Kenauk, where we will take a freshly caught trout, bring it out into the middle of the lake, put it on an open fire, and devour. You do not want to go anywhere. Stay tuned. This is going to be nothing less than extraordinary. What were you like as a little boy?
Well, I was born on a little hobby farm, so practicing l'autosuffisance, that was like a dream of my dad and my mom. But we were like three boys playing hockey, being competitive. So they took that dream away, but it was good values, respect of the product, l'artisanal, and respect the people that does it, because it's a lot of work.
But interestingly, when you're playing hockey and you're on a team,
Yeah.
it is a bit of a similar background for working in a kitchen and again with a team and
Yeah.
learning how to work together.
Yeah, everyone has their strengths, their weaknesses, but as a team, as a group, we move together to achieve
Greatness.
exactly.
Speaking of greatness, when did you know what age that you wanted to be a chef?
It was an accident. First job was to be a dishwasher. I was 14 years old for a summer job. It was a bunch of pirates and like everything was going so fast and the yelling and the adrenaline. I was like, oh wow, they're cool. I like it. But in the end of the summer, like, hey, do you want to continue with us like 2 days a week and then doing salads, doing pastas, doing a little bit of prep. And I'm like, okay, cool. My parents like, you need to finish school, you need to go to school, you need the education. So I went to culinary school because like, oh, maybe I'll travel with that. So with experience, with traveling, with mistakes, you build confidence and you choose your surroundings, and that's key. You could go for the money, go to a big place and you're set for life, or you could go for something else. Like, I'll take less money, but I'll go there to like be a better cook, a better fish guy, a better sauce. So I think that's the way I choose my path, and here I am, Manoir Hovey. Couldn't ask for a better team, better place.
Describe to me what is a typical day at Manoir Hovey when you wake up. What does a day look like?
Well, first of all, 6:30, the kids go, Papa, we're gonna be late. So breakfast, lunch, drop the kids, come back, have a coffee besides a fire, do a little prep. Then after service, lunch service, night crew comes in, another menu, and we got like dégustation végétarien, dégustation omnivore, à la carte, and we got the tap room, which is more like casual, rustic. But what I like about Manoir Hovey is like, you're at home here, and you're welcoming guests to your home. It's like having people over at the cottage.
Every day.
Every day, and they're on vacation. They don't stress. They're just here to have a good time. So it makes my job way easier. That's the hospitality, the restauration, the package is like Manoir Hovey.
So speaking of attention, you have garnered some Michelin attention. Is that always something that you strive towards, or is it just you do the work and they happen to see it and recognize your hard work. What did that whole process mean to you?
It's been 8 years I've been here. Manoir Hovey, Relais Chateau is like, they've been a pioneer. Chef Roland was there for 42 years. Always pushing like the terroir. This is like local stuff. We don't use vanilla, we don't use olive oil. It's like camelin, sea buckthorn, like everything that is in the area. So that was like a flip, and now it's like a reflex. We got the 5 diamond at CAA. That was like a very good accomplishment. It was 25 years we've been chasing that. And then all of a sudden, La Table Ronde got Michelin in the radar, and we got a mention for the tap room. We got 2 Michelin keys for the hotel. We got a mention for the Hatley. So we were super happy about that. Our philosophy is to get better every day, but we're not gonna denaturalize what we're doing. Stay ourselves. We have a clientele. We're not gonna lose clients over a Michelin star. We'll do what we do, but
It didn't change the way you work in the kitchen. It just gave a little kick to the step.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, just a little bit more motivation.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about yourself? What do you just find to be your favorite trait?
Like, I respect so much people that are humble, and that's the figure I wanna keep the most, because like, it doesn't matter what you achieve. I didn't do it by myself. I was always well surrounded. So stay humble is like the biggest thing for me. Just giving back what I had to others, because like it's a hard working environment, but it's the best job in the world. You please people. That's your job. Like, how rewarding is that? So yeah, sharing the passion, sharing moments, and make people grow.
I love that.
Oh my God.
On pourrait manger juste comme ça.
Oh, le verre est frozen. Oh, wow.
Just gonna go in there.
Yes.
Yeah. Allons-y.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane.
Oh, wow. Le smoke, juste un petit peu,
Ouais.
est vraiment parfait.
Okay.
Ok.
Toast.
Cheers. Santé.
I want to toast you and tell you that this has been 2 years in the making from the moment we first met, and it's a testament to timing is everything. We found the moment and you captured it beautifully, and I am so grateful to you, Chef.
Pareillement.
Santé.
Merci à Le Creuset de nous avoir fait rencontrer.
C'est vrai. Merci, Creuset.
Merci Creuset.